Okay, hello everyone. So in the previous unit, we talked about technical SAP wage types. So these are largely used in the calculation. They're created and maintained by SAP. They have configuration. You don't typically mess with this. The next part you have is customer specific wage types. So every customer of SAP's, they have ways they pay people, right? And so this is where you have to, in the system, set these up. And so then you might have new ones that you create over time and other things like that. And so the big thing to understand is that SAP has a number of different places that you can enter these wage types. So now this is you talking about as a company, you are going to enter this in for an employee. And so if I look at the first one, basic pay, this is going to be in for type 8. This is a salaried employee, their base salary. You are entering $10,000, they get $10,000. For an hourly person, if they make $20 an hour, that's their hourly rate. So it is entered on their base record. It's going to be an Employee Central. I'm going to show this to you over here. So if I go over to let's look at Jeff Hill, for example. And then I'm going to look at compensation. So we also saw this when I hired someone, but then I'm going to look at this compensation information over here and I pressed the history button. We can look at it this way as well. I meant to click the view all button over here, but if I scroll down, I can see that I have a base salary for this employee, $7,124.45. So what I meant to press over here was this view all, and then it actually takes me into it. And so you look at this, this is the base salary, but then we might have other things like a transportation allowance or a meal allowance. And so these